Do you think the courts, especially the Supreme Court, is trustable, is supreme, is immaculate, is a place from where we can get, justice? As a Satyugi, I don't think so. If you want to know more details about this, then please stick to this video till the end. Welcome to this channel of Satyugi TV. And here, as you know, that getting justice is so bloody important. And in Bharat, our Supreme Courts have proved itself that they are not giving justice most of the times. I am talking from Kolkata, and the whole world knows what all is happening in Kolkata regarding to the doctors' horrific murder and gang rape case. Do you think that a party which is part of this gang rape and horrible torture of that bright, intelligent doctor, medical student who was studying the second year of MD? Do you think that when a party is coming up with the greatest, the most, or rather one of the costliest judges, advocates who works in Supreme Court in Bharat, who charges so much, so many lakhs? You are my audience, and I know that you know how many crores of rupees all these battery of lawyers, advocates have charged. Nobody works for free. There are no free lunches, and especially neither in the market nor in the Supreme Court. Why? Why do we still have to trust in the judgment given by a Supreme Court, for example? I don't know. I'm not, educated enough to understand whether I'm breaking the law by saying this thing or whatever, but I'm stating the truth. When terrorists who have proven to be terrorists and have attacked the greatest buildings of Bharat, the parliament, and they have proved to have done terrorist activities, the greatest terrorist activities, and for them, the Supreme Court opens in the middle of the night. For evil politicians, for negative politicians, the Supreme Court seems to be always ready to take up their case, as long as the money they demand is fulfilled. When I say they, maybe Supreme Court as a building doesn't demand the money, but the advocates there, they demand the money, and their money is going towards like 1 crore, multi-lakh rupees. And do you think that all this money is not black money? All this money they get is not black money? Have you not heard about Swiss banks which host the accounts of these advocates, has been hosting accounts of advocates all while. So, what is important as a Satyugi for you to understand is that do not depend, if you want justice for a righteous cause, and if you are not having lots of ill gotten money, lots of evil money, lots of excess money, then you don't think you will get justice from any of the courts. I'm making huge, big, and controversial statements, but doesn't matter. I'm just telling the truth. People who have applied for cases and decades, generations have passed, they do not get a date. And people with politicians, rich people, people in power, they get dates very soon because they could afford to buy the services, buy, BUY in capital letters, the services of these. You can comment below what can come in these in the comment section below. These people who have done, they are not more educated than an engineer or a doctor. They have not done great work for the country. They are having a ball of a time. They are having holidays which even the children don't get so many holidays. They are having so many privileges, more privileges than maybe the government of India. Shouldn't we raise a voice against this? I'm sure there are many judges, there are many advocates who are positive. There must be, there has to be. So let these judges, well, I know many times the people who are mostly in these negative and hypocritical things, they only come forward to make a show. But I'm not talking about those showstoppers. I'm talking about those truthful people in Bharat who also feel this thing that the judgment is, you cannot expect justice and judgment, truthful, positive judgment in Bharat under the guidance of the judicial system we have. I'm a Satyugi. I've given my entire life 24/7 for the past 28, 29 years in the service of my country, in the service of humanity, in Kolkata, throughout the world. So I have a say after all these years of service, and it was not that I was like useless person who couldn't do anything. I have topped the national biggest exams. I have won international biggest awards. So, and even if I wouldn't have got, but still I'm a citizen of the country, equal citizen as any politician, any doctor, any engineer, any judge, any advocate, anybody in this world. My citizenship is equivalent to a person who is just barely making it survive in his life, and also all those people who are endlessly doing negative things and are the greatest fans of hypocrisy. They are also doing the same. We have the similar equivalent citizenship. I know the police, the government, the judicial system, the system, all these people would pamper hypocrisy the most, would be the enemies of positivity. But I have lived my life in serving humanity, and I'm sure I must be that there are some people in this world, in Bharat, who selflessly, without any ulterior motives, without any selfish motive, selflessly would like to be part of this Satyugi army, which we have, of people who are dedicated to Bharat, who are dedicated to humanity, who are dedicated to health, who are dedicated to Dharma, who are dedicated to their inner excellence. And of course, the foundation is humanity. There must be. It can't be that people are just interested in their money. I know people would say that anybody who is coming on the social media making these videos like I am, they are here just for money. I'm also here for money, but money for our selfless family of elderly destitutes. Because after all these rich people in Bharat, after all these rich people in the world, after all these powerful people in the world, why and how come people are dying as destitutes? People don't take care of their own families, leave their elderly parents to do their selfish things, to earn their selfish things, to do evil things, to do hypocritic things, and not positive things. So, if you have the spunks in your comment section, in your what generally it says, so if you have spunks in your whatever, then you be part of Satyugi army, and let's end all negative and hypocrisy from all people in the world, from all humanity in the world. Let's bring this Satyugi New World Order. So, there is a Google form below. Just fill that form and let's be part of this mission in which I am working, and we have many people who are working for bringing golden age for humanity, health, Bharat, Dharma, and for inner excellence. Let's finish the video here, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do it. If you really care for any of these 5 things which we are working for its golden age, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and take this channel to all the people. Go ahead and share this video to your friends and family. I'm sure there are people in this world, people you know, who are positive and who wants to bring a positive change in this world very, very soon. So let's go to the next video, and until then, have a very beautiful day. Pranam.